Questions of impropriety continue to be asked since the release of the list of companies who clinched PPE and hospital refurbishment tenders. The bone of contention is in the ownership of those companies, their proximity to political heads of the province, and the criteria used to award those tenders. Nearly 6 million rand has been spent in the aforementioned areas during the past 4 months. The Special Investigation Unit is also looking into 350 transactions related to the coronavirus spending in the province.
We are going all out to ensure that everything that we do is transparent, everyone is held accountable, and people must have answers where they are implicated. So we are working very hard on that issue in particular because corruption is an antithesis of progress and development, and if we allow it to rein in, if we allow it to continue unabating, surely we are not going to move forward and be the country that would want to be.
The government watchdog, the Public Service Accountability Monitor, says action must be taken.
It requires coordination between law enforcement authorities, and it also requires heads of departments and director generals and municipal managers to comply with the law and take disciplinary action and refer, where warranted, criminal cases to the police to prosecute those who have contravened the law and which has resulted in COVID responses to this being affected in ways that result in the violation of people's rights.
The provincial treasury says it's moving with the necessary speed.
Any person who is employed by the state, that person, if he is found to have done business with the state, that is a transgression, a serious transgression, a transgression that can result into a fine and imprisonment. But obviously there is a process of ensuring that whoever has done business with the state, that person would need to go through a process, and if that person is found guilty, then the person must face the consequences.
But the damage already wrought is of concern.
Most of the damage caused is irremediable. Imagine tens of thousands of lives that are negatively affected because of corruption. It is time to act now because many lives are suffering.
The Office of the Premier has extended an invitation for people to report wrongdoing. Yanga Funani, SABC News in Bisho.